Congratulations on your new 6SL wireless speaker downlight from Lithonia Lighting. We hope you're excited to begin enjoying this easy and efficient way to enhance your space using lighting and music. We're going to take you through the basic steps for pairing and installing the 6SL. Before we get started, please note that a complete list of installation instructions and other information can be found in the instruction manual along with your unit. We recommend reviewing this material for a detailed understanding of the 6SL and its components. Okay, let's get started. Our first step is activating the battery. To begin, remove the protective tab from the battery cover on the back of the speaker. Confirm the orange connector of the power plug is connected to the fixture's mating orange connector and plug it into a standard 120 volt outlet. The unit will turn on automatically and you will hear an audible 4-tone low to high chime. The pair button will start blinking green. This indicates the speaker battery has been activated. Let's hold the on-off button until you hear an audible 4-tone high to low chime to turn off the speaker. Remove the power plug from the electrical outlet and disconnect the plug from the fixture. The next step is pairing the master unit. We want to complete this step before we install the unit to ensure a successful audio connection. First, we want to confirm this unit is in master mode by ensuring the SM switch is toggled towards M here on the back of the speaker. Let's hold the on-off button for 2 seconds until we hear a chime like this. The pair button will blink green and the SM indicator light will blink blue here under the speaker grill. We now know that we're in master mode and ready to pair. Place your Bluetooth enabled device in search mode and select downlight speaker from the menu. Successful pairing is indicated with a beep sound like this. Now go ahead and play some music from your device to ensure the connection. The 6SL is able to pair up to 8 units for a stereo quality sound experience. Let's pair another unit to the master we just activated. The setup begins the same way as before. Instead of toggling the SM switch to M, I'm going to make sure that it's on S for satellite. I'm going to turn the unit on the same way and listen for my chime. Now, my pair button is illuminated green and giving a beep sound. The SM indicator light is now also illuminated green, indicating that the unit is paired in satellite mode. Now, with the master unit playing music, press the pair button on the satellite unit until it makes a beep sound and starts quickly flashing green. Then, separately press and hold the pair button on the master unit. The satellite unit will make a beep sound confirming it's paired with the master unit. The music should now come from both units, and this may take up to 20 seconds. The pair button on both units will illuminate to a solid green and will remain like this as long as the units are paired. Pretty easy. And you can repeat this process for up to 7 more satellite units. Now that we have paired our unit, let's prepare for installation. First, we want to double check that our input power is 120 volts 60 Hz and our supply wires are rated for at least 194 degrees Fahrenheit. We're also going to make sure that the power is disconnected by turning off the circuit breaker or removing the appropriate fuse. Now, we're going to select the wiring method. If you're using the LED connector, just plug the orange connector from the fixture into the mating LED connector inside the housing, here. If you'd like to use the E26 socket adapter, just screw the adapter into the base socket inside the housing. Now we're ready to install the unit. Squeeze the legs of each torsion spring together and seat them inside the torsion brackets of the housing. Release the springs and gently push the module into the housing until it's flush with the seal. You can repeat these steps for each additional unit. Just make sure all satellite units are within 60 feet of the master unit. To start enjoying music, wake the master unit from sleep mode by flipping the light switch or dimmer. Once we hear the audible chime and see the SM indicator light blinking blue, we can reconnect the device to the master unit. Once connected, you're ready to start enjoying the 6SL. Charging the battery is as simple as turning the light fixture on. The charging indicator light will illuminate red, indicating it's receiving power and charging. A full charge takes about 4 hours, and once charged, the unit is good for 6 hours of music with the lights off. Well, that's it. And remember, A full list of instructions, tips, and other information can be found in your manual. We hope you enjoy your 6SL wireless speaker downlight from Lithonia Lighting. Thanks for watching.